Does 138 Student Living still plan to pay out dividends even though its APO was undersubscribed? I'm Kalila Reynolds, financial journalist and educator based in Jamaica. The 138 Student Living additional public offer closed a few weeks ago. The numbers are in and, well, it's not quite what the company was hoping for, despite expanding the offer by a couple weeks. CEO Cranston Ewan told KRM that the APO received 152 applications and raised $510 million. That's just a quarter of the $2 billion they wanted to raise. 138 wanted the money to help pay down some of its debts and fund expansion. According to the APO prospectus, the company's debts are around $4.2 billion. They operate just over 1,400 rooms at 4 locations on the UWI Mona campus. When we spoke to the 138 team on taking stock, they mentioned wanting to expand the number of rooms at UWI and possibly branching out to other universities. However, given the lackluster response to the APO, Ewan said that the company is going to focus on paying down its debts and will shelve the expansion plans for now. But one of the big questions on everyone's mind is, what's going to happen with the dividends? 138 listed back in 2014, but just paid out their first dividend in February of this year. In our Taking Stock interview, Ewan said this.
On our books right now, we have in excess of $4 billion worth of debt. So what happens is that a significant portion of our cash flows goes towards servicing debt and paying interest payments. What we are trying to do here is to deleverage a company and to say to our shareholders and our prospective shareholders that come on us with this journey or continue on us with this journey. Part of our intention is to return a significant portion of the earnings from this company in the form of dividends to our shareholders.
But now that the company has less money to pay down debt, does it still plan to continue with dividends? The answer is yes. Ewan told KRM that paying out dividends is still one of their top priorities, but he didn't indicate the frequency. And that's the bottom line. So what do you guys think? Are you surprised at how the APO turned out? 138 shareholders, are you happy that dividends are still on the table? Let me know in the comments. Take our Investing for Beginners course to learn how to start investing. The link is in the description. Let's get this money.
Let's get this money.